Hi, have you ever thought how large projects like mega structures, big buildings, Olympic stadiums, refineries are built step by step without creating any chaos? How do engineers, designers, architects, plumbers, everyone know exactly what to do on a project? The key to this is WBS, work breakdown structure. In this video, I will explain work breakdown structure in a clear, practical way. In this video, I'll use house construction project as an example to explain WBS in a simple manner. By the end of this video, WBS will be easy to understand. As the name suggests, WBS is work breakdown structure. WBS is a way to break down a large project into manageable pieces of work. Look at a complete project as a part of different phases of the project, and then those phases can be broken down into tasks, activities, deliverables. WBS focuses on what needs to be done to complete a project, not when it is to be done or not by whom it is to be done. It is only what needs to be done. WBS is extremely important in project management. WBS helps us break down the project into manageable activities, plan the activities required on a project, assign teams to those activities, and then plan for the budget and resources on the project, track progress on the project, and avoid missing any required activities. Now let's understand this with a real life example of construction of a house. Let's take a look at the work breakdown structure for house build project. This is an example project used in various videos prepared by me. We have broken down this project into 6 different phases. First is named as 1.1 Design and Architecture, 1.2 Site Preparation and Foundation, 1.3 is the structural work involved, 1.4 is the exterior and interior finishes, the fifth is mechanical, electrical and plumbing works involved, and sixth are the inspection and handover. Now we are preparing the work breakdown structure. We need to break down these phases into number of deliverables and activities at a lower level. So going to the third level of the WBS, 1.1 gets broken down into 1.1.1, 2, 3, 4. Namely, the requirement gathering, followed by architecture drawings, then preparing the structural designs, getting the approvals and the permits. Site preparation and foundation gets broken down into activities like clearing the site, excavations on site, testing the soil, constructing the footings and foundation slab. Structural work gets broken down into construction of columns and beams, walls and masonry, followed by a roof structure. Exterior and interior finishes to the doors and windows installation, plastering and painting, flooring works, interior fixtures. Mechanical, electrical and plumbing works get broken down into 1.5.1, 2, 3, 4. Plumbing, rough-in, electrical wiring, fixtures and fittings installation, testing and commissioning of them. Inspection and handover is followed always by quality inspection, final corrections, client handover and documentations. One major benefit of WBS is that responsibilities become very clear. Everyone knows what is to be done. The designer can focus on design, civil engineer can focus on the foundation works, the construction team focuses on the structural work, and the MEP team handles the mechanical, electrical and plumbing works. When everyone knows their responsibilities, it avoids delays and misunderstandings. To summarize, WBS breaks down the project into manageable units. This helps in better planning and control. This makes large projects like house construction easier to manage. If you found this video helpful, please go and watch all other video resources on this channel. Thank you.